In this video, I'll show you how to pay for Peacock via Google Play. I will also show a picture of my dog. Step 1. Launch Peacock Android app. Open the Peacock app on your Android phone or tablet. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Step 2. Access subscription plans. Tap your profile icon, then go to Settings or Account and select Plans and Payment. Step 3. Select a plan. Pick a plan. This can be Premium or Premium Plus, monthly or yearly billing, as your preference. Premium Plus will be more expensive than Premium, and monthly billing will be more expensive than yearly billing. Step 4. Choose Google Play payment. Choose Google Play as the payment method. Confirm your Google account details and payment options. Step 5. Confirm and subscribe. Complete the purchase. Your Peacock subscription will activate immediately with recurring billing via Google Play. And that is how you subscribe and pay through Google Play with your Peacock account. Here's a nice picture of my dog. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.